Today, we will talk about how to install a light fixture. Let's have a look at the details. Installing a new light fixture requires careful planning and attention to detail. There's no room for error when it comes to electrical wiring, which means you've got to organize properly and learn the regulations to make sure your project is safe and up to code. You can learn to plan your project and install new wiring to light your home. The first step is planning the project. Check your local wiring codes and schedule inspections. Several inspections and permits are required for most residential construction projects, especially when it involves installing or replacing new wires. Decide what type of fixture will work best in the area you're trying to illuminate. You wouldn't want to light up a workshop in the same way you'd light up a nursery, or a kitchen the same way you'd light a living room. Think about the purpose of the room to determine where and how you'll light it. Decide what kind of bulb you want for your fixture. Incandescent, fluorescent, lead, mercury vapor, high-pressure sodium, and halogen are among the most common choices, each with its own unique color tone or range of color tones from which to choose. Determine the voltage and current requirements for the fixture. The fixture must operate on a voltage available at the location. Nearly all fixtures available at home centers in North America will be the 120-volt variety, or have the ability to choose from 2 or more voltages. By connecting specific wires and leaving others disconnected, locate a suitable power source. Find a nearby outlet or an existing junction box in the ceiling that's close enough to branch out from. If a suitable power source isn't easily available, you might have to run a new branch from the electrical panel. Plan the wiring route. There are 3 possible ways to wire the circuit for a new installation: power to the switch, power to the fixture, and install the power and load point at the same switch. The 3 points, source, switch, and fixture, need to be connected together, all with a simple 2-wire Romex cable. When there is one switch controlling the fixture, and the second step is installing the fixture. Cut openings for the wiring. Cut openings into the ceiling or wall surfaces for the boxes, for the switches, and for the fixture support. By first tracing around the box on the wall or ceiling surface, be sure to match the switch box height to those in the rest of your home. Install the wiring. Install the Romex or other cable between the power source and boxes in the voids of the walls, ceilings, and floors with a snake or fish tape. After determining there is enough ampacity in the circuit to support the additional load, extend wiring of the same size from the power source to the switch and fixture locations. If running a new circuit directly from the electrical panel, the new wires should be sized according to the fuse or circuit breaker size. Make sure your wiring is up to code. National Electrical Code requirements for wiring need to be followed closely when you're installing a new fixture. Connect the devices as shown in the diagram that matches your application. If you'd prefer to follow detailed instructions to wire the fixture to just 2 3-way switches, please see the 3-way switch how-to guide. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.